Activated follicular transplantation 2.0 AFT 2.0 is an advanced hair transplant procedure designed to provide natural looking and long lasting hair restoration. It combines modern transplant techniques with biologically enhanced graft care to improve healing, graft survival, and overall hair density.
What is AFT 2.0 hair transplant?
AFT 2.0 is a next generation hair transplant procedure where healthy hair follicles are extracted from the donor area and implanted into thinning or bald areas. The follicles are activated in a specialized growth factor solution before implantation to support stronger survival and better regrowth.
How is AFT 2.0 different from a regular hair transplant?
Unlike standard hair transplant methods, AFT 2.0 includes activation of extracted follicles in a nutritive medium before implantation. This helps improve graft survival, supports faster healing, and may lead to denser, more natural looking results.
Who is suitable for AFT 2.0?
AFT 2.0 is suitable for men and women experiencing hair thinning, receding hairlines, or baldness who have a healthy donor area. A consultation helps determine whether the scalp condition and hair loss pattern are suitable for transplant.
Is the procedure painful?
The procedure is performed under local anesthesia, so discomfort is minimal during the treatment. Some mild soreness or tightness may be felt after the procedure, but it usually settles as healing progresses.
How long does recovery take?
Most people can resume routine activities within a few days. Since AFT 2.0 uses minimally invasive extraction and collagen-based donor care, recovery is generally quicker compared to traditional transplant methods.
When will I see results?
Initial shedding of transplanted hair is normal after the procedure. New hair growth usually begins over the next few months with a visible improvement in density typically seen from 3 to 6 months and continued growth over time.
Are the results permanent?
Yes, transplanted hair is usually taken from areas resistant to hair loss, so the results are generally long-lasting. Maintaining scalp health and following aftercare advice can help the outcome. Ending note: at WeCare, AFT 2.0 is offered as an advanced hair restoration option with personalized planning and expert care. A consultation can help assess the best transplant approach for your hair goals.